Hello, my name is Varisha. I'm from VC Media. Today we are at Tahar Exhibition 2025, which is held at Delhi Bharat Mandapam. Today we have Mr. Kunal. Hello, sir.
Hi, hello.
He's presenting his brand, which his name is Delhi Craft.
Yeah. So Dairy Craft is a cheese manufacturing company. So basically, we are into the four verticals. That is, we manufacture cheese, cream, butter, ghee. So we have proudly saying we have 40 plus cheese varieties, and 15 plus cheese varieties are basically for pizzas. And we have cream, butter, ghee. We have butter salted and salted. We have and proudly saying that Dairy Craft is India's only company who is manufacturing butter sheet in India. Otherwise, like other companies may import from outside, but proudly saying that India is the Dairy Craft is the only company in India that who is manufacturing.
And that's very nice
Yeah.
to hear. Also, your first time at Tahar, you're presenting your brand.
Yeah. I just joined Dairy Craft 7 months ago, and it's been great. A roller coaster ride till now. And it's my first Tahar. It's not my first Tahar only. It's my first exhibition in the entire lifetime.
Oh my God.
Where I'm presenting my company, and I'm very proudly saying that the Dairy Craft is a very good company. And also, if you're looking for cheese products, we are the company who provide you products with no emulsifier. We are not using any vegetable oil.
Okay.
We're not using any starch. So the minimal of chemicals we are using, that makes the Dairy Craft USP.
Okay. So, can you please show us the products, your high-selling products?
Yeah. Please come. So basically, as I have told you, we are into the cheese, cream, butter, ghee. So in the cheese, we have 15 plus, 40 plus cheese variants. So if you start with the premium, cheese varieties, we have 1 cheese, 2 cheese, 3 cheese, 4 cheese, 5 cheese. And we have fresh cheese variants, that is Bocconcini, Bufala, and we also have burrata. Burrata, we also have some flavors. If you can see strawberry, and this is the blueberry and raspberry. And if you will move for the bakery part, what all things we are what all things we are getting in the bakery. So that is cream. So you must be eating cakes.
Yeah.
Tiramisu.
Yeah. I know that.
Cheesecake.
Yeah.
So you can use our products. We have cream cheese. In multiple flavors.
flavors, yeah.
We have mascarpone, that is basically for tiramisu. So you also like cookies, right?
Yeah.
So we have unsalted butter, that is perfect for cookies. Yeah, you can bake cookies. We have also salted butter to put on the pav bhaji. It will give you that very good taste and texture.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for salads, we have feta.
Okay.
And if you're looking for making sandwiches, perfect sandwiches, we have cheese slices with the multiple flavors. We have cheese slices plain, garlic, herbs and spices. We have smoked mozzarella cheese slice. We have smoked cheese slices. So these all are the. We also have matured cheeses, which are the processed cheeses. We have smoked processed cheese. We have cheddar. We have English cheddar. We have so multiple variety of cheese. Yeah.
Okay. So that's nice to hear. Thank you, Kunal. VC Media is glad to have you on camera, right?
Thank you so much. Yeah.